am going to be doing a quick unboxing. Patrick from Soapy Oaks Farm has sent another shipment for donation, and I just wanted to show, look at this box. It is a huge box filled to capacity. So I wanted to share with you a few of them that he's sending in. This one's called Fuego. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Clay Purity. Everything that he makes is absolutely amazing. Okay, let's see with my glasses. This one is called Autumn. See that? And the ingredients, of course, everything that he makes has top of the line ingredients. Neem, nettle, lime. Oh, I bet you that one's amazing. Lavender eggs. This is a shampoo bar. That is really cool. Well, there are, this one is oatmeal honey. This is soap stone. Look at all the amazing colors in this. Woodsman. Ooh, this one. It's open. Very neat. There's no end. Stallion. Look at that. It's got that gold on the top. Do you see this? Natural Impressions. This is a huge bar of soap. Beautiful too. And more of the stallion. These are going to be such an amazing blessing to so many people. Patrick, thank you so much, and I really appreciate all of it. Have a beautiful day.